In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and open a Progressive Insurance online account. Setting up an online account with Progressive is a convenient way to manage your policies, make payments, and access important documents, all from the comfort of your home. So, let's get started on creating your account. First, you'll want to open your web browser and head over to the Progressive website. You can easily find it by performing a quick Google search for Progressive Manage Policy, or you can type in the URL directly, progressive.com/manage policy. This page will allow you to register for an account if you don't already have one. Once you're on the site, look for the option to register for an account. It's usually prominently displayed on the page, so it shouldn't be difficult to find. Click on the register button, and this will take you to a page where you can begin the registration process. Now, the first piece of information you need to provide is your policy number. This is a key step because Progressive will use this number to identify you and your existing policies. Make sure to have your policy documents handy so you can quickly locate and accurately enter this number. Next, you'll need to type in your last name. This is another crucial piece of information that helps verify your identity along with your policy number. Enter your last name exactly as it appears on your policy documents. Once you've done that, you'll be asked to enter your date of birth. This step further ensures that your personal information matches what's on file with Progressive. Enter your date of birth, carefully double-checking for any typos before moving on to the next field. The last piece of personal information you'll need to provide is your mailing zip code. This should be the zip code associated with your policy, again ensuring everything aligns seamlessly for a smooth registration process. After you've filled out all these details, your policy number, last name, date of birth, and mailing zip code, look for the Continue button. Clicking on this will move you forward to the next part of the registration. Make sure all the entries are correct because having consistent information speeds up the process. And there you have it. That concludes the first part of setting up your Progressive Insurance online account. Once you've completed these steps, Progressive will guide you through setting up your login details, like choosing a username and password. Having an online account can greatly simplify managing your insurance, making it easier to keep track of your policies and payments. Thanks for joining me today, and happy online managing.